Hello my YouTube friends, and welcome to my channel Living Life with Letty. And in this video I am making the Reflectix for the windows for my van. I've already cut them out and painted one side of them black, and so I'm just now leaving Walmart. I went and bought some material so that I can glue it to the other side, some pretty material so it looks bright and pretty inside the van. I got this adhesive spray, which I will show you. So if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will stay so you can see my project. And if you would like, please hit subscribe and like. I really would appreciate it. Okay, so I'm home now. I hope you enjoyed that little ride. And now we're going to start working on the reflectors. Reflector. I'm not really sure how to say it. Reflectors, Reflectix. Does anybody really know? Anyway, it's the things that are made out of like foil, aluminum foil, and they have bubble wrap in the middle, and they are supposed to be they reflect the sun. It's not really insulation, it just reflects the sun, but it's also good for privacy, because you put them in the windows and nobody can see out, the light hopefully won't shine out. So when you're boondocking somewhere and you don't want people to know that you are in your van, then you put your reflectors on and no one knows that you're in there. So that's a good thing. They're all my Reflectix, and they've already been painted. They have already been painted black on the other side. There's, I've got 2, 4, 6 of them. So I'm headed now to Walmart to buy material so that I can cover the other side. You know, and show y'all how it turned out. So I need to move this back some. This is so exciting. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, but you know, it's so hard for me because like I said, I have rheumatoid arthritis, and you know, my hands sometimes don't cooperate like I wish they would. Well, I was only able to complete one completed Reflectix. what happened was that the lid to the adhesive broke off, and it's completely broken off. I can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna have to go buy more material anyway, because I bought a yard. I didn't know how much I was gonna need, and this is all I have left out of the yard. So I need to buy a couple of more yards to finish the other ones. And then let me bring this here, because this is not good right now to, you know, to be able to, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go get more material anyway to finish the project, and more of this adhesive. So when it is all completed and I have them hanging in the van, I bought magnets with little clips so that I'll put them in, and if they don't fit perfectly, that'll be okay, because I have the magnets, and the magnets are really, really strong, and there's metal all around, so there's a lot of places for the magnet to clamp onto or to adhere. Anyway, well, this is enough for today. I can't do any more anyway until I go to Walmart and buy the rest of the material and more adhesive, but I should get it done by tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate the company, and I hope that you enjoyed watching me just do one Reflectix. I only have 5 more to go, but that's okay. Now that I did the first one, the next ones will go fast. Thank you again, my friends, for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you on the next one. And don't forget that the sun is always going to shine on you today and every day, especially on your solar panels. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you all.